Alright, we're in for a Winnipeg landing, Winnipeg International Airport, James Richardson Airport, and it's right in the middle of wildfire smoke. Yeah, real fun. Looks like St. Vital Center. Oh yeah. It's possible it could be a north or northwest landing. We'll see very shortly. Oh yeah, I see Polo Park. So most likely a northwest landing. Landing which I've had in the case of wildfire smoke. I had one in Vancouver many years ago. I'm just wondering which had the thicker smoke back in Vancouver today. But we're here at James Richardson Airport. Thanks for watching.